Longchen Nyingtik Meditation, Part 2, Impermanence of Life. Meditation 11, The Impermanence of the Body Aggregates. Please read Campbell's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama Edan deities and Dakinis, Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the six realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate that a living being's body is a collection of assorted parts. While alive, your body is maintained by the constant care of having food, clothing, and adornments. However, when death arrives, your body will be stripped naked of clothing and thrown to the shallow ground. To feed jackals, wolves, and vultures. Or sent to the crematory to turn into a pile of ashes. Therefore, think. My cherished body, which I have pampered so much, will soon become nothing. Not even a tiny bit of my bones, flesh, or skin will remain. Hence, I must practice the genuine Dharma right away. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement, be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara, that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.